Hi, I'm Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today we're going to unbox the Epoch 300 amp hour lithium battery. Well, we got our new batteries in. These are Epoch 300 amp hour batteries, lithium, and we got these with the advice and help of Alan with MV & Tree Trawler DIY. It's a channel where he shows you in-depth things on how to do work on your boat, and he goes really in-depth on Epoch batteries. He knows them inside and out, and so he's been helping us out, and we just got the batteries in, and we're going to open up the boxes and see what's inside it. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is cut it open. As all batteries, they're not light, but they're actually lighter than we've been using golf cart batteries, AGM cells, and of course you have to have 2 golf cart batteries for every 12-volt battery you want to put together, because they're 6-volt. Our system is 12 volts, so we have to have 2 batteries to make one. And each one of those 6-volt batteries weighs about 15 pounds more than these Epoch 300 amp batteries, and the AGMs are only 100. So these have 3 times the capacity of the AGM batteries and weigh about 15 pounds less. So that's a win-win. All right, so we have opened up the box, and you see the battery right off the get-go. That's a clean looking, nice looking battery. It is well protected with styrofoam packing around it, so it's not going to shift around. It's protected from banging on the outside, so kudos to Epoch for doing some good packing. Now let's see if we can pull this out. I'm probably gonna have to get up a little bit higher. All right, so get back down here. They come with some nice handles on them. That's another good thing. The AGM cells have no handles on whatsoever, and so in order to move them in and out, because I've got 6 of them in here, in order to move them out of the engine room, I bought a rubber handle that just has 2 hooks that you hook on it and pull up, and you take it from one battery to the next. I've always worried that that thing's going to give way because it's just barely holding on. These look very well constructed. They're not going anywhere. Got nice, comfortable plastic handles to hold on to carry the weight. In a plastic bag to protect the battery during shipping. All right, look at that. That is one beautiful looking battery. You got the battery, and that's it. Doesn't come with any kind of manual, and that's, I just want to make sure there's nothing underneath there. That's because you go online and they have all their information online on how to set these up. So got bolt battery terminals. They're in the, oh, they're, so they just unscrew and you put your lug there and then you bolt down on it. So that's pretty secure. You can either use a wrench or a Phillips head screwdriver, either one. So that's it. Not much in there because it's all in here, and this has the world in it. Epoch is very good batteries, so I'm really excited to get these and get them installed in our system. Thanks for watching.